Welcome to Best Electronics. Are you looking for a cheap blender for peanut butter? Watch the video and get some idea about best blender Aistan A5200. Many persons have already bought this blender and their review shows that the blender is really excellent. This is a high-powered blender that can even heat foods while blending, but don't want to pay a premium price. This blender is designed to do the job without breaking the bank. It features a powerful and efficient 2200-watt performance, with 6 chopping blades that shred through fruits and vegetables and turn ice into snow in just seconds. There's not much this machine can't do. There are manual controls for 10 different speeds, a pulse button and more. The program settings on this blender start at a low speed and increase to the highest speed for better blending, even when tackling hot soups and sauces. I recommend this blender to everyone because the blender has been tested and is being used by many people all around the world. Item specifics. Capacity, 2L. Blade number, 6. Power, 2200 watt 3 horsepower. Rotation rate, 45,000 RPMs. Controls type, push button. Housing material, plastic. Number of speed settings, 10. Overall, it can be a good choice if you are really in need of a decent blender and don't want to invest much money. Many persons have already bought this blender and their review shows that the blender is really excellent. So, we think this blender is the best for you. You won't find such a good blender at such a low price. Visit the description link for price and more details. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.